Let's explore themes and formatting in Google Forms. The formatting options have improved significantly. So let's look at the formatting of text now. So here is my pizza quiz. I'm just going to click in this question, and right away I see the bold, italics, underlined, insert a link, and then remove formatting option. That gives me some options. I can highlight this, I can bold, I can underline, and I can italicize. I can also insert a link. So let's say I wanted to add a link here, where click here for the pizza flyer. I could click this, click the insert link, paste my link to the flyer in this space, click OK, and I would have the link to the flyer right there. The formatting options are also there in the questions. So here's my question, and then I added a description. When I click on the description, notice I can add bullet points and numbers, because sometimes you have to add a little bit more information to the question, and you don't want it in the initial question, you want it in the description. So that's a great new option. Now let's look at the themes. To get to the themes, you click on this little color palette right there, and then when you hover over it, it says Customize Themes. And then this sidebar menu shows up. So here is where we can change the font for the header, the question, and the text in the description. So let's go in. I'm going to change this to Luckiest Guy, and you notice it changes right there. I can even change the font, so I can make it as big as 24 or as small as 18. I'm going to leave it at 24. The question, I'm going to change that to Acme, and I'm going to bump it up to 14. So there's Acme, and then I'm going to change the text to Marco 1. So that's the description, and that changes the text on the options. Okay, so that's the description and your like multiple choice options or your checkbox options. This next section is the header. So you can choose a header that goes on the top of your Google form. So I'm going to click Choose Header. And then you have a bunch to choose from already built into Google Forms. So if I click on the food and dining, you'll notice that some of them are GIFs, meaning they have some movement in it. So like the steak, you can see the fire crackling underneath. So I'm going to choose that one because I'm hungry. Insert. And you'll see that the steak then appears up there at the top. You can also create a custom header for your Google form. And you can do this, or at least I normally do this, in Google Slides. And you do have to customize the page setup to 1600 by 400 pixels. And then apply. Now I already have this applied to this. And there is my Getting to Know Google Forms. Go to File, Download, and then I'm going to download it as a PNG. And right here it says Image Upload. Click on that, and then I have different options. I have Upload right here, and I'm going to grab that and click Open, and it's the perfect size, and done. So that's how you can upload a custom header. Another option is you can change the color. So I'm going to change it to purple because it matches this color, but I have other options also. So that's this bar right here, and this is the background. That is the formatting options in Google Forms.